All right, guys, before the video begins, as you can see, we have a lot going on here. This is what we're doing. It's gonna be a 3-part video, multiple installs. This will be the first one, the bumper, or honestly, I don't even know how this is gonna happen, but this will be the intro for all 3 videos. Hope you guys enjoy. We have huge things coming. Well, they're pretty tight. Type R bumper, Type R lip, spoon axle back, and then we have these Type R brake kit. So let's get to it. Good morning, everyone. Today we have a very exciting video. We finally have a rear lip for the bumper, for the rear bumper at least. Whew. Shout out to Zamir for going to LA to pick this up. Yeah, I think this is an OEM bumper, but as you can see, let's flip it over. Jesus Christ, doesn't want to stay flipped. All right, it goes that way. Boom. That's the lip, and then it comes with the rear bumper, but I might just give this away. I don't know. As you can see, the tabs are all broken, so I can't really put this bumper on there. The other one is already primed and ready, so what I'm gonna do is just put this one on and then prime it, sand it, prime it, get it ready and all that. So yeah, some exhaust burn or some shit, I don't know. Yeah, I should really prep this. So that's what this video is going to be about, just prepping the car, or prepping this bumper lip and installing it. Since you guys have seen me already sand down the car before, I'm just going to time lapse the sanding. Alright, the lip, I removed it. It was annoying just doing it on that big ass bumper. Sanded it all down pretty much. It's pretty smooth. So there's some areas that I'm kind of not happy with, but it's not moving any further. This burn spot, I pretty much just put bondo on it and tried to fix as much as I could off it. That's pretty much all I could do for that. I'm gonna get it ready for paint now. So yeah, now we're just gonna remove the bumper. That way we could just do it. Okay, we're back to the bumper. Bumper's removed. There was just 3 clips on the side, each side, and then those tabs that had originally broken on here. So now we're gonna fit the lip, it's all primered, onto the bumper. Okay, well, as you saw from the clip, it doesn't directly bolt on. Because why? Because I didn't check if it's actually a direct bolt on. And now that I look at it, these are two completely different bumpers. So I believe that's a Type R bumper, and this is just an SI bumper. Oh my God. So either we modify, well, I don't think that won't fit on there because I just tried. So I think we might have to modify this one to hold this lip. But the thing is, it feels like it's way too small to fit it. So in order for it to fit, I have to cut the entire bottom portion. This. Cut that off and then put it on. Probably. God damn, it's always one thing after another. Let's see. Okay, we are at Flawless headquarters.
Hacker Garage.
After watching a couple videos, it's obvious that this bumper is bigger than the Type R bumper. So this one's bigger because of the crash test that they do in America, so they make it bigger so it's safer, and because of the fucking crash bar. The crash bar is basically, that's why it's bigger here, because so it can fit the crash bar. This one, to fit this one, we have to remove the crash bar. So if I want to keep this bumper, I have to remove the crash bar and fix these fucking holes that are broken. If I want to keep that bumper, I either try to cut it and then try to put the bumper on, the lip on, but I don't think that'll work. So let's try to, we'll see, Hector. One thing at a time. I'm gonna freak out. All right, let's try to remove the crash bar and see how that goes. All right. Oh damn, that thing. Yours is way bigger than mine, shit.
Boom!
It looks hella like no ass now, you know?
Yeah. Your exhaust system is sticking out more too.
You think so?
Watch maybe that's why they put that fucking lip on there so it looks like this.
Well,
this one just molded on.
Now we have that. So I'm gonna finish this at home. I'm gonna sand it
Bondo
down.
Billy!
And bondo it. Sand it and bondo it down. So you'll see the rest of this video at home. Okay. It's the next day now. We have the Type R bumper on. We're gonna sand it now, get all of that shit off, get it ready. We still need to fix these tabs. I don't even know if I'm gonna fix these tabs, to be honest. We'll see how it goes. I might just cut out the old ones from the old bumper and epoxy it on here. Then we have the old lip in the backyard right now. I mean the Type R lip. We have to epoxy it because it broke right here. I split it yesterday by accident, but we'll do that later when we come back. After this, we're gonna go get the car tinted by a shop, and then, or before that actually, we're gonna do the windshield replacement and then get the car tinted. Throwing the clip here, the wrap is finally in. We got to get the car completely ready for next week when we start wrapping it. I might do it actually during the week. There are more dents that I'm finding, but to be honest, I'm just gonna do it. I'm proud of how far we've gone already with this build, so let's get it going. Time lapse the bumper sand. Okay, so while the car gets tinted and windshield replaced, we're gonna do this. Basically what we're gonna do is, so you can see this crack, we're gonna take an epoxy, glue it on both sides and sand it down. And then paint it. Ugh. Oh Lord, it's coming out quick. Okay, quick update to what I'm sanding down. Got all the chips off, and now I'm working on these cracks. It's crack peeling paint. I was sanding it down, and it would pretty much just be like when I sanded it down, it would just turn into that, which is like the primer paint that was also cracking. So we're just trying to eliminate as much as possible. I cut off these hinges here. I might try to cut off the OEM ones from the OEM bumper and try to put them back on here. We'll see, but that would require more time. So just gonna get ready for primer and then finally ready for the lip and the wrap. All right, the bumper is pretty much done sanding. I got as much imperfections as I can out. Yeah, now it's got this nice little camo look to it. No, it's not really camo wrap. It's actually just a sanding procedure, but it looks freaking wicked actually. So we're just gonna letting it dry, then we'll start spraying it. The lip, on the other hand, it's the epoxy is still drying. It's fairly soft still. Probably won't be ready for another day, so we're gonna put this away. The car is back from the tint. Look at that. Looks crazy good. Super dark. It's not even 5%, bruh. Windshield replaced. It's got that nice little sun thing on top. That's pretty cool. Love it, love it. It's coming along together. Little by little, the process. All right, so final thing that we have to do. Got to spray paint this bitch. Gonna do that right now. All right, so we have to finish painting this one and the lip, but the lip is not dry yet, so we're just gonna start on this, get this going, and just have it done already. Let's have it done. Boom, there she is. The bumper is now on with the lip. She looks great. She does look like she has no ass though, but I love it. Love how it looks. Can't wait for the wrap. I'm thinking of doing some kind of like I don't know. We'll just do a whole one color. Now the crack is still there. The epoxy is like still drying. So who knows how it'll dry up, especially with the exhaust there. Even if it dries up, I feel like the exhaust will just melt it off. We're just waiting on the weekend. That way we can start wrapping. I gotta redo the headlights. They're getting all yellow. I wish I could do them right now, but it's gonna rain, so I'm supposed to wet these. All right, well, thank you so much guys for watching the build process on the EP3. I really appreciate everyone watching. I'm really passionate about this shit. Leave a like if you enjoyed this process. Comment down below and subscribe for more. We're gonna finish this pretty soon, and then we go back to the FG4. So yeah, see you guys on the next one.